Guys, what's up? Welcome to this channel. It's your boy Sammy. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you down to some of the things that every beginner trader must have to put in place. I've not actually mentioned this in my community, but this is the first video I'm creating about it that I think every trader should be aware of. Now, trading rules. Trading rules. Let's take it as an example of something that guides you in the market. Like I said before, that when you get into the market, you're the one that took yourself there and you're the one that chooses when to exit. Now, if you don't plan out when you're going to be exiting or when you're going to be entering the trade, it will now turn into what they call gambling because you do that at will. Now, trading rule is what helps you, like just like the word rule. Every organization has rules and regulations, which is even applying for some kind of opportunities, you have to abide by their terms and conditions. Now, this trading rules talks about how a trader is being guided in the market, when to enter, when to exit, and the rest of them. I'm going to be showing you some of my rules, and I want you to stick to the end of this video. If this is the first time of watching this video, I'd like you to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and leave a comment in the section below. And also, if you want to be part of our community, you can leave a message in that comment and I'll give attention to it. Okay, let's step right in. Now, I actually came up with these trading rules as a result of my own experience in the market. Now, how did I come up with it? I got to discover that I got to discover that some of the things were not working out for me. So it was the things that were actually working out for me were the ones I actually decided to put as part of my rules. Now somebody might be asking, how do I get my own rules? It's very simple. You have to learn to observe what is happening, your attitude towards the market. In that way, you can be able to understand what is working for you and begin to change over time. Okay, let's dive right in. Now, one of my trading rules is I'll start trading from I'll start doing my analysis from 2 o'clock Nigeria time, 2 o'clock what and PM what. Now, this 2 o'clock PM what is actually New York section, but for Nigeria we are a little bit 2 hours away from it. So I decided to calculate based on it. Now, why do I say so? I say I will start doing my analysis. Now, I didn't say I will start trading from that 2 o'clock. The reason I said I will start doing analysis because most of the time I got to find out that the market actually move in my favor once it is about the closing time. So I decided to, like, okay, I'll start doing analysis from 2 o'clock, but eventually my trade had been executed maybe by 4 or 5, or most of the time by 6. Okay, so why do I say so? It's as a result of my observation. Now, why do I how do I come about this? Now, I trade New York section, so going to trade London section for USD pairs will actually be a disaster. Now, why do I call it disaster? It doesn't work for me. Now, this video is strictly based on my experience. Okay, I placed a trade some time ago on Euro odd, okay, odd USD on London section, and the market actually moved, but it wasn't giving me my expected result of what my target of what I was expecting. But before New York section, there was actually news release and I got stopped out in the market. Now, that was a long time ago. I started observing over after some time that before the London and New York section is being executed, the market will actually move and stop out all traders that were buying before the market section. So what I did was, okay, I'm going to be following these guys to trade according to the section. Okay, that is one of it. I'm not going to go into deep details, but I think you can get a clue from this video. The next one is I'll start doing my trading. I'll always stick to my trading or strategy. Now, a lot of folks believe that we have different strategies that we can use in the market to make profit. Well, I don't believe in that. What I believe in is having one strategy, but using that one strategy and learning it to the T. Like, let us say you are learning one strategy, but you keep upgrading that strategy, that same strategy, keep developing it over some time until you become what a master of it. Okay, that's what I believe. There are so many folks that believe that I come today with one strategy, tomorrow you come to the market, let's say big profit yesterday, and the next day you come to the market is actually on a bearish move, you decide to trade again. Now, whereas the bigger time frame is still bullish, but you're just trading on the retracement, that is going against what your strategy. Because maybe you are a trend trader and said you wanted to follow the trend, so why not stick with the trend? Okay, that's one. Then I said I'm going to be closing my closing time also. Since I have opening time, I equally have closing time. I close by 9. Now, what do I mean by closing by 9? Since I'm a swing trader, there's something I said. I was going to be closing part of my profit before 9 p.m. because oftentimes the market might give me profit, but before the end of the day, it might reverse before the next section or the next trading day. So what I said, I was going to be closing part of the profit. Part of the profit was because I wanted to secure my risk and make some profit out of it. That way, I'm able to what boosting my own confidence and have my own trading and mental analysis working out for me. So